Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I am here today to do What's New Wednesday. And since this is Washi Wednesday, we will be focusing on new washi. So we're going to start off with the new sub box from Cookie Sticker Co. I have the first Cookie Sticker Co. subscription box release right here. So let's open it up and see what is inside. Okay, I'm not gonna fight with the glue. Let's just cut this. Okay. Ta-da! So this is the box. Okay, so this is the top. Cookie Sticker Co. Romance subscription box. So this is what the box looks like. Let's see. Do you want to go in from the top or the bottom? Let's go from the top. I've never had any of the Cookie Sticker Co. stickers. So let's take a look at these first. Wow, this is really thick. What's in here? Oh, okay, this is the packaging. Look at that. This little heart pocket pouch with the stickers inside. That's cute. I haven't seen that before. So these are full box stickers with rose gold foil. And these, the doll, I think is Cookie. It may be another name, I don't know. Like I said, I've never had any of the stickers. They're vinyl stickers, I believe. This is gorgeous. Wow. They're individual stickers, but you can stack them to make them look like that. That is pretty cool. Okay. This is nice. This is individual stickers too. Let's see. I can't see them that well, but yeah, they're boxes or headers or I don't know. You have to pull them and see. That's cool. Oh, love them. Date covers, little hearts at the bottom. The character stickers. And I think these are character emojis or I don't know. Icons, mood icons. Look at the 3-tier cart. Cool. I want to put these back. Yes. Because the way they're packaged is really pretty. And I like this. Keeps them all together. See if I can get them back in there. There we go. Okay. Let's see what else we got in the romance box. Well, we know we got some washi, but let's see what else we got besides that. The pen fell out, but we got this blue pen. Ooh, it's rose gold with an ink on the top. Look at that. That's a pretty blue. And there is the pen. Do I have something close by to write on? Yes, I do. Can't write on the box though. I don't know if this is a ballpoint or gel pen or what. It writes fairly well. Okay. It's light. Maybe I need a real piece of paper to get the full effect. This writes really smooth, but I think it's a ballpoint. I really do. Okay. So let's put that back. Let's see what else we got. Oh, we got the tiny ink paper clips and a washi card. Let's see if I can get it into this. So it's two tiny paper clips. These are super tiny. I can't get it over the thickness of the washi card. Let's try and put it on the vellum. That's better. Yeah. It just does not want to open up to go on that washi card. I need to put these somewhere quickly before they disappear. Oh my god, oh, there we go. So that's those, the washi card. Now for the washi. And I just swatched my last washi from Cookies to Cocoa. So I need to swatch these too. Let's take them all out. I'm not complaining. So let's see. Let's start the stripes. You got the pink stripes with the rose gold foil. Then we got, oh, wait, there's more. We have the ink and the drips in rose gold foil on the pink stripes. Then you got the gray. I like this. Gray with the rose gold drip. And then I think this, yes, navy blue with the rose gold drip. So these are very different colors. I don't know why, but it does remind me of a sailor theme. It really does. It's probably the stripes and the blues. But that's it. That's what's in the box. So we got the clips, the washi card, washi, and I don't know how many sheets of stickers. Pretty awesome. Oh, and the pen. The pen. So that is it. Next, I have my latest order from a Simply Gilded. I've been holding on to this probably a week. So let's jump in and see what we've got. Let's not fight with the glue and go on and cut her open. Here we go. Oh, there's more. Let's start with this. This is Blush Baby Neutrals. So that's how those came. Okay, y'all know I don't know names, but this is the Blush Baby Neutrals Washi. Is this different? Yeah, it is a little different. So this is what they look like. Okay. Then in this package, take everything out. Oh, almost lost the seal. So this is the seal. And then this is the freebie sticker sampler. Then this is the journaling card, the animal print. Let's see if we can straighten that up a little bit. Then here we go. Okay, so I think this goes with this. So I got the, I don't know the measurement, but the skinny washi that matches the Blush Baby washi. Then let's see what we got going on here. So this is the Crimson Wine with the burgundy lip and bow. You can't really see it well in the plastic. So this is the other tone-on-tone washi that I got, so you can kind of tell the difference a little bit better that way. But I'll probably swatch these at the end of the video so you can get a better look. But this is the lips and the bow washi. And then this one is another Stardust. This is a smoking, it's called Smoking Stardust. It's a gray color, I believe. Again, it's hard to see. So what I'm gonna do, since I don't have too many here, I'm gonna go ahead and take these out of the packaging and swatch them so you can get a better look. And I'll also go ahead and swatch the Cookie Sticker Co. washi as well. So let's do that. Okay, so I need to put these away. And if you were interested in what the box looked like, here it is. It's got little hearts in the color of the washi on the side. And that's it. Let's get into this. So this is my Simply Gilded section. And I think I'm gonna have to start some new pages. So I think all the blush can go here. So let's do that. And I'm gonna do them in the same order that these are in. Okay, so now let's do, I hope I have enough room for these. So that's not the best swatch job, but so all of this is the blush washi down here. Now let's go on. I didn't think I had enough room for the red. Let's see. What are we doing with this smoke? I think I'm gonna put it here. Do you all see a difference? I don't really see a difference, but I mean the foil is a little different. I thought this was supposed to be more of a gray color. I don't know. I have to wait until I have a better vision day. for that one. Now, where did I put the, oh, I put them here with the pink. So this goes with this too. Guess we'll have to start a new page. So I'm going to do the lips first. So that's all of the Simply Gilded washi. We have the burgundy, tone on tone. We have the blush. And then we have the smoke, which I'm really not sure about. Here it is. Okay, so let's move on to the Cookie Sticker Co. washi from the sub box. And let's go to the Cookie Sticker Co. section and decide how we're gonna do this. Because I don't want to have to keep doing a new page for every release, but in this case it looks like I'm gonna have to do a new page. So let's get started. I'm gonna start with the blue. So that is it for the Cookie Sticker Co. swatches. So this is what it looks like on paper. So that is it for this What's New Wednesday. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journalized Journey, for craft videos and junk journals. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. Visit my website and shop at Scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.